Welcome to today's English lesson. Today you'll learn how to say hello, introduce yourself, and have your first English conversation. Let's begin.
Welcome to your English journey. Hello. Welcome. I'm so happy you're here today. Today is a special day. Why? Because today you are starting something new. Maybe your English is not very good. Maybe you know only a few words. Maybe you feel nervous. That's okay. Every fluent English speaker started with one word. Today, you will start with your first words. Please don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. Just listen, repeat, smile, and enjoy. Take a deep breath. Are you ready? Let's begin. Listen carefully. Hello. 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 Hi. 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 Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. Goodbye. 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 Bye. Bye. Excellent. Now repeat after me. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Goodbye. Bye. Very good. Now listen again. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. Goodbye. Bye. Wonderful. Now close your eyes. Imagine this. It is a beautiful morning. The sky is blue. The air is fresh. You are walking down a quiet street. You feel a little nervous. Today, you want to speak English for the first time. You see someone walking toward you. The person smiles. You smile too. You take a deep breath. You look into their eyes and you say, "Hello." The other person smiles. "Hi." You feel happy. You understand. You can do this. One word, one smile, one conversation. That is how every journey begins. Now, let's say it together. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. Excellent. Now listen carefully. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Goodbye. Bye. Again. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Goodbye. Bye. Fantastic. Today, you have already learned your first English greetings, and this is only the beginning. In the next part, you will learn how to introduce yourself in English. You will say your name with confidence, and you will listen to your first real English story. Let's continue. My name is. Great job. You are doing very well. Now it's time to say your name. Listen carefully. My name is Alex. My name is Alex. My name is Alex. Now listen to some more examples. My name is Emma. My name is David. My name is Sarah. My name is Michael. Very good. Now it's your turn. Say it with your own name. My name is. Again. My name is... Excellent. Now listen. What's your name? My name is Alex. What's your name? My name is Emma. What's your name? My name is David.
Very good. Now let's learn one more sentence. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Again. Nice to meet you. Excellent. Now let's put everything together. Hello. My name is Alex. Nice to meet you. Again. Hello. My name is Alex. Nice to meet you. Perfect. Now, listen to a short story. This morning is bright and beautiful. Alex wakes up early. He feels excited. Today is his first English class. He walks to the classroom with a smile. When he opens the door, he sees many new faces. He takes a deep breath. He remembers the words he learned. He smiles and says, "Hello." A girl smiles back. "Hello." The teacher smiles too. Alex feels more confident. The teacher says, "Please tell us your name." Alex smiles. He says, "My name is Alex." Everyone listens. The teacher says, "Nice to meet you, Alex." Alex smiles again. "Nice to meet you too." Now he feels relaxed. He is not afraid anymore. He knows only a few English words, but those few words help him start a new friendship. Sometimes a simple hello can change your whole day. Sometimes a smile and a few English words are enough. Now, let's practice together. Listen and repeat. Hello. My name is Alex. Nice to meet you. Again. Hello. My name is Alex. Nice to meet you. Excellent. Now, one more time. Hello. My name is Emma. Nice to meet you. Very good. You are learning. You are speaking. You are becoming more confident. And in the next part, you will learn how to ask, "How are you?" and how to answer naturally. You will also continue Alex's story and see what happens next. How are you? Excellent. You are doing a great job. Take a deep breath. Smile. Now let's learn one of the most common English questions. Listen carefully. How are you? How are you? How are you? Again. How are you? Very good. Now listen to the answers. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm great. I'm great. Excellent. Now listen to the complete conversation. Hello. Hi. My name is Alex. My name is David. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. How are you? I'm good. How are you? I'm great. Have a nice day. Thank you. You too. Goodbye.
Bye. Excellent. Now repeat after me. How are you? I'm good. How are you? I'm fine. How are you? I'm great. Wonderful. Now let's continue today's story. Alex is happy. He is no longer nervous. He walks into the classroom. He sits next to David. The teacher begins the lesson. Everyone is smiling. The teacher says, "Today, let's make new friends." Alex looks at David. He remembers his new English words. He smiles and asks, "How are you?" David smiles back, "I'm good. How are you?" Alex laughs, "I'm great." The teacher is happy. She says, "Excellent. Keep speaking English. Don't be afraid. Every word makes you stronger. Every sentence makes you better." Alex understands something important. He does not need perfect English. He only needs courage.
One sentence, then another sentence. Little by little, his English is growing. Now it's your turn. Imagine you are Alex. Stand up. Smile. Say hello. Tell your name. Ask one question. Answer the question. Ready? Hello. My name is... How are you? I'm good. Excellent. Let's do it one more time. Hello. My name is... Nice to meet you. How are you? I'm great. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Perfect. You are speaking English. Step by step. Day by day. Tomorrow, you will learn even more. But first, let's finish today's lesson together in the final part. There, we will review everything you learned today and get ready for episode 2. Your first English conversation. Great job! You have reached the final part of your first English lesson. Today was your first step. Maybe it was a small step, but every big journey starts with one small step. Now, let's remember what you learned today. You learned how to say hello. Listen. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Goodbye. Bye. Now you know how to introduce yourself. Listen. My name is Alex. My name is Emma. My name is David. Now you can ask someone their name. Listen. What's your name? What's your name? And you can answer. My name is... Excellent. Now you learned how to be friendly. Listen. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. And you learned how to ask about someone. How are you? How are you? And you can answer. I'm good. I'm fine. I'm great. Amazing. Now, let's have one final conversation. Listen carefully. Hello. Hi. My name is Alex. What's your name? My name is David. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. How are you? I'm great. How are you? I'm good. Have a nice day. Thank you. You too. Goodbye. Bye. Now you learned how to be friendly. Listen. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. And you learned how to ask about someone. How are you? How are you? And you can answer. I'm good. I'm fine. I'm great. Amazing. Now, let's have one final conversation. Listen carefully. Hello. Hi. My name is Alex. What's your name? My name is David. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. How are you? I'm great. How are you? I'm good. Have a nice day. Thank you. You too. Goodbye. Bye. Very good. Now it is your turn. Imagine you are meeting a new person. Speak with confidence. Hello. My name is... What's your name? Nice to meet you. How are you? I'm good. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Excellent. You have completed your first English conversation. Remember something important. Learning English is not about being perfect. Learning English is about practicing every day. One word today, one sentence tomorrow, one conversation in the future. Keep listening, keep repeating, keep learning. Now, let's go back to Alex. After his first conversation, Alex feels happy. He goes home with a big smile. He thinks about his new English words. Hello, my name is Alex. How are you? These simple words make him excited. He knows tomorrow will be another chance to learn. A new day, a new lesson, a new conversation. And his English journey has just started. In the next episode, Alex will learn how to talk about his family. He will learn words like mother, father, brother, sister. And he will have a new conversation in English. Are you ready for the next step? See you in episode 2.